Hello, friends. Welcome to book reading. So, today I'm going to read this book Barack Obama, the President of USA. So, I'm going to start this book Barack Obama, written by R.K. Bruce. A big job, growing up, finding his way in government, a new president, glossary. A big job. Did you ever think about being president of country? Do you wonder why someone would want such a big job? Barack Obama was elected President of United States in November 2008. 28. Growing up, Barack Obama was born in 1961 in Hawaii. People called him Barry when he was young. His mother was a white woman from the United States. His father was a black man from an African country. Barry's father moved away to Africa when Barry was very young. Later, his mother married a man from a country in Asia. Barry's family moved to that country. Many people there were very poor. Barry moved back to Hawaii at age 10. He lived with his grandparents until he finished high school. Barry lived in many homes and many cultures. He did not know where he belongs in the world. Do you know Barack's African name means blessed, finding his way? Barry left Hawaii in 1979. He moved away to go to another school. He started to use his African name Barack. He started to see that he was African American and white. He did not have to choose between the two. Barack wanted to help poor people have better lives. He moved to Chicago. He helped people learn about new jobs, but he wanted to help even more. Barack wanted to become a lawyer. He wanted to help change laws. He moved to Boston and studied law. After Barack became a lawyer, he moved back to Chicago. He helped change law to make life better for poor people. Do you know? Barack met lawyer named Michelle Robinson when he moved back to Chicago. He married the next year. They have two daughters, Malia and Shasha. So this is a Barack Obama family photo. In government, Barack wanted to help even more. He became part of the government of his state. Later, he became part of the government in Washington. Barack made a big speech in 2004. He saw ways to help the United States be a better nation. He asked all Americans to work together. He spoke about peaceful ways to solve problems. Many people liked about Barack's speech. They liked his message of hope and peace. They liked his clear thinking. They wanted Barack to be president. After 4 years of hard work, Barack was elected president. The new president. Barack began his job as a president on January 20, 2009. He and his family moved into the White House. In October 2009, President Obama won the Peace Prize. He received the award for helping to make the world a better and more peaceful place. Glossary: cultures, elected, government. Cultures: the idea and custom of different group of people. Elected: chosen by people who voted. Government: a group of people who make and enforce laws for a country. Lawyer: a person whose job is to give people advice about the law or represent them in a court. Message: idea. Speech: a talk given by someone to a group of people. That's the end of the story. Hope you like this story. Please like, subscribe, and share this story with your friends and family members. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.